Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to this video. If you are new here, please do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and it really does help the channel. If you are an existing subscriber, welcome back. It is good to have you here. In this video, I want to dive specifically into not only myEcon, but the training that is provided when you activate your myEcon membership. Now, I have literally dozens, if not hundreds of videos on myEcon. You can go back to my channel and you can search those if you want, but I wanted to do this video and talk specifically about why our myEcon team is, in a nutshell, outperforming any other team. And there's really two specific things that we offer that, I don't want to just say other teams, but I just kind of want to say like across the industry and across the niche out there of making money from home and even from the actual companies themselves, it's really hard to get a, proven documented training method because a lot of the companies out there, they teach, what we call old school methods. And one of the things that makes our team unique and our team different, two specific things. Number one, we provide proven to convert methods that are working right now, whether you're watching this video in 2024 or 2025, proven to convert methods that are converting into leads and sales right now, today. And the second thing is irresistible value. Now, I have a ton of other videos, probably link in the description down below. You can go over to my full overview where I walk you through literally the over $11,000 in free value that we offer you just for activating your myEcon membership. But I want to take you through a tour here of our team training site so you can kind of see it for yourself, because in a lot of the other videos that I have, I just kind of scratch the surface of this. I really don't dive too deep. But what I want to do is I want to open this up and I want to show you some of those proven to convert methods. And I want to show you some of what we have in here so you can kind of see it for yourself. So if you're looking to get started with myEcon, or you're just looking to make money online, this should be your one-stop shop. Okay, so let me dive in here. So first things first, when you get into our team training site, when you activate your myEcon membership, and of course, right now at the time of this video, depending on when you watch this video, link in the description down below, you can get started for literally $9.95. And yes, with that specific promo that we have going on right now, okay, for $9.95, you not only get a proven membership that's going to help you make and save more money, you're also going to get over $11,000 in free value along with that. Yes, less than $10. The value is absolutely insane, my friend. Okay. So first thing you're going to get is you're going to get welcomed, obviously, into everything we do. It's really simple and easy to follow along our training site. Again, proven to convert methods, stuff that's actually working right now. And we walk you through it really simple, right? Watch this first, start here. You really can't mess that up. Okay, it's a training that's going to guide you through exactly what to do. This welcome video here is going to explain what you're about to go through, the journey you're about to embark on. Okay, we're going to plug you into our email list so you're going to know what's going on. We're going to plug you into our Facebook group, has over 5,000 members in it. Okay, we're going to plug you in there. And by the way, inside of our Facebook group, we go live 5 times per week, teaching you, training you, coaching you, motivating you, all those things. Okay, so we're going to plug you in. We're going to get you into proximity of other people just like you. That's going to help you win. Then next thing you're going to do is you're going to go set up your app. We have an app where you could run your entire business from an app on your phone. This is a customizable app that is exclusive for our team. You're not going to find this on any other team. This is our own dedicated funnel team app for your myEcon business. You can't find that anywhere else. You can only get that if you're on our team. Don't ask me for the name of the app because the only way to get that app is literally right here at that specific button that says create your app account here. It's the only place you're going to find the app. You're not going to find it by doing an iOS search or search in the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It's just not going to happen. Okay. Now, we're going to walk you through how to get your app. Once you get your app and you get it set up and we show you how to use it, then you're going to get your links. Now, I would scroll down, but I have our custom coded links in there. So down below, if I were to keep scrolling down here and I scrolled all the way down, you guys would see that's where you set up all your sales funnels. It's right here in your site. That's where it says setting up your domain and links. We're going to show you how to go get a forwarding domain like growwithdaniel.com. You would go get that from someone like GoDaddy. You would take your funnel link, which you grab right here in our team site or in our app. And then you set up your forwarding domain. This video walks you through how to do that. And then boom, once you get that done, then it's time to start promoting. You start promoting your business. And we take you through how the whole process works. We talk about understanding the process. What does the process of marketing actually look like for you? How are you going to start doing that based on your skill level, what you know, what you don't know? We're going to walk you through that whole process, okay? Getting ready for the process. We're going to show you how to get your social media account set up because we teach multiple methods how to market: Craigslist, solo ads, social media marketing. And if you're going to start marketing out there on social media, you want to have your social accounts set up correctly, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. We walk you through how to set that stuff up. Very simple. Then what the process looks like. We're going to show you how to start marketing, what the process of marketing actually looks like out there on social media. We walk you through that. We show you literally step by step, click by click, how to do it. Can't really mess that up, guys, especially when we're walking you through. And all you got to do while you're watching these videos, guys, is literally pull out your device and follow right along. And you could be literally promoting your business as you're going through the training videos, which we highly recommend. Then check this out. This is where it gets really cool. We talk about how to get good at the process. So we show you the basics in that first video, what the process looks like. Then we show you how to start getting really good. When you think about it, marketing is just formulas. That's all it is. So when you're marketing your myEcon business, you're just practicing every day. You're practicing marketing formulas. In this video, we teach you what those formulas are. You can kind of see a little hint right there on your screen, the 4-point formula document. Okay, so we give you those formulas. We show you how to use them. Really simple. And then as you start generating leads, because your leads are going to go right to the app that's on your phone, when someone opts into your sales funnel and they want to know more information about your myEcon business with the funnel team, okay, they're going to opt in your funnel. And you can see, I know it's going to be a little tough to see right here, but you can see right here, I'm already generating leads right now during this video. You can see those leads pop up. I can tap in, I can open that. You see all these guys, I just had one come in live right now. Okay, my phone just buzzed. Okay, you can see all the leads coming in. You're going to be able to tap into those leads and it'll say how to communicate with leads. You're going to open up your app. It'll show you just like that right there. Okay, it says a new lead has been generated. You go right into your leads section and you'll see all of your leads right here. You can open up those leads, and this video is going to teach you how to communicate with your leads. Everything that I'm sharing with you and showing you right now, this is how our team is getting more results than any other team because of this systematic process that we take people through. This is the magic formula out there in the world of making money online. It's a beautiful thing called duplication. This is how we create duplication with myEcon, by showing people step by step what to do. Okay. So like I mentioned, two things for you a little while ago. What do we have that makes what we do work? Well, it's what's proven to convert right now, what's proven and documented to work right now. I'm taking you through that, and irresistible value. And you're obviously seeing that right now. Now, that's the promoting part. We also show you step by step how to use your membership, how to make and save more money. So how the compensation plan works, the back office overview, the W-4 correction, AKA income shifting, ID defender, credit system, cash flow manager, investment education training, the whole travel site overview. Everything you need to know about your myEcon membership is all taught here inside of our team training site. So when you get a sale, you're literally going to click on this video right here, and I can't click on it because it shows the link to our team training site. So I can't offer you that unless you're on our team, unfortunately. But we're going to give you a training video that walks you through exactly what to do when you get a sale, how to welcome your member into our team training site. And then that's literally all you have to do. Our team training site is going to handle the rest of that for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about, getting them on the phone, what to say, how to say it. Literally, the communication that we're going to give you explains all of that. Really simple, really easy to do. Okay. And then when we have what's called the vault. Now, this is where literally every ounce of, how to do, what to do, where to do, all of that is contained in the vault. This is where everything you need to know, all of our content, all of your short form video content, all of your training documents, everything you need to run your entire business is inside the vault. And of course, this video walks you through how to use the vault, how to open up the tabs, how to look at it, how to grab certain pieces of information, how to grab certain pieces of training. It is all inside the vault. I mean, there is thousands and thousands of videos, documents, training folders, all of that, everything you need to be successful with myEcon and to be successful making money from home. Simple as that. Then this is where it really gets fun here. We have all of your bonuses. So the thousands and thousands of dollars in value and training courses that we offer are all here. Live weekly trainings. You want to attend our live weekly trainings, you can go here and then you can head on over to our weekly training replays. So we go live 5 times per week. You guys can obviously click on that. You can watch all of our training replays there. We keep all of them right here so you can access them at any point, okay? You also have a 10-part training series. This is for new members when you get started, kind of walks you through some basics as well as our system here, setting up your app and you start promoting. We also have an additional 10-part training series right here, which is going to walk you through some really great information. We have our team sales rotator. We're going to plug you into our rotator and we're going to start marketing your business for you. You have all your additional courses, Social Mastery Blueprint. You also have YouTube University, Scalability Pro. These are all courses that cost a lot of money that we give you absolutely free. Your Craigslist posting software. We also have a Mindset Mastery training course, which walks you through how to improve your mindset and your attitude, all those things. So there's incredible bonuses in here, again, that we're giving you just for activating your myEcon membership. So again, taking people through the systematic process of what works and what works really well right now. This is the key to duplication, my friend. This is why our team is seeing very, very significant results with myEcon. It's as simple as that. So I wanted to shoot this video for you. I wanted to do a little bit more of a deep dive into our specific system. What makes the funnel team unique? What makes the funnel team different versus, any other team that's out there? Well, it's this right here. It's what we offer. It is specifically the methods that we teach, how you can start applying them, getting results in your business. And it's as simple as this. You're just going to go through the start promoting section. You're going to promote the way that we promote. And, the proof is in the pudding. Numbers don't lie. We're growing by the hundreds every single week. So documentation beats conversation, my friend. And you have the irresistible value that is tied to the funnel team, which is over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. So that is it, my friend. Just wanted to share that information with you. Hope you found this information valuable. If you're looking to get started, again, link in the description down below. And right now, at the time of this video, we have a special promotional price to get started, which is literally less than $10 at the time of this recording. So go ahead, activate. Don't even think about it, my friends. It's less than lunch, okay? So get started, activate your business, get access to your myEcon membership so you can make and save more money and get access to this exclusive system, which you will find nowhere else in marketing. Thank you for watching, my friend. Look forward to seeing you on the inside, which is much better than being there on the outside looking in. It's way better in here. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.